is up, everybody? I just got my new RC-F passenger seat. I'm so excited about this install, you have no idea. Huge shout out to my girlfriend Ivana. She drove me in the middle of the night so quickly to LA just to get this seat, which is so damn awesome because I did not want to drive in my car to LA that late at night. Super sketch, cops, shit roads. So huge shout out to you, love you. I'm so amped because I honestly did not think I would find one so soon. I kept thinking like, this looks so cool, but how much longer am I gonna have to drive without the other seat? I am so happy that I found it. The install is gonna go very smooth. I've already done it once, so I'll be able to fly through this really quick. Maybe in this install, I'll be able to hit all the points that I did not get to mention the first time I went around because I was too busy learning how to do it. But now I can be a little bit more detailed with this. So if you guys find these top seats and you want to do it yourself, now you have the guide. Let's go ahead and start with this install. First thing you're gonna want to do, take this out. Next thing, push your seat all the way back. We're gonna remove these. Okay, so now that we have all 4 bolts removed, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is push your seat all the way back because you're going to get under it. Before you do that, you will have to unplug the car battery. So we got battery disconnected, we got no power. Safe to disconnect the airbag and the battery plug for this. That one's undone. Okay, so everything's unplugged. Let's go ahead and remove the seatbelt. So seatbelt cover should just pry off like that for the most part. Get this out, easy peasy. Now you can safely pull the seat out of the car. Oh, I always forget how heavy this shit is. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys look at the underside. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take these clips off. Super easy to take off. Very important, you are going to want to unplug your heat pad. Once that is off, you're gonna want to tackle these 3 pins and carefully remove them if you want to reuse them. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I got all 3 of them removed. They're ugly, but I could still bend them back into place, and they're way stronger than zip ties. These are freaking so difficult to remove. For the most part, all of this is done. The only thing I have to do is remove this. Don't really know what this is for, but all you do is push those 2 tabs in, pull it out. That's it. Now we can go ahead and remove the seat. Easy peasy. So another thing I didn't get to mention, most of the time when you're buying this upper seat, it won't come with these plastic inserts. Those from Lexus are gonna be $127. That's with tax already. Another thing, it also will not come with this. This is what you're gonna take from your OEM seat. It's gonna go through here. These 3 slits, that's where those pins are gonna be that we're reusing. Slide it right through. And there it is, it's inside. That's it. Now we are ready for the most satisfying part of the install. I swear, this thing gets more gorgeous every time I do it. Damn. This feels way more solid than mine. For those of you guys who don't know, my driver one that I just bought was actually used. This one is brand new. Damn, it feels so sturdy. Okay, so back to the install. You're gonna wanna plug this back in. All right, they are in nice and tight like my butthole. Last but not least, you want to get the elastic straps and get them into these rods. Easy peasy. Also, don't forget to put this back in, which I already did. So for those of you who aren't familiar with DIYs on your car, basically taking everything apart just to put it back together when you're done. Seat is back in and looking good. All I have to do is reconnect the battery so I can push the seat up and do the 2 rear bolts, and we're done. Lexus literally just called me and they told me that my inserts for the seat are already in, which is strange because I placed the order last night right before they were about to close, and it's already here. They always tell me that those parts are back ordered, and then they call me the very next day saying, hey, come pick it up. So Lexus, you're doing a great job. I'm glad that I picked you guys. I guess we're gonna head over there and pick up those parts and complete this seat. So we got the back part, gonna go right behind there. We got the 2 front pieces. They clip into the back. All right, so we got both seats finally finished. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys really like it too. Definitely brings a little bit of life to the car from the inside, so I'm pretty hyped on that. I feel like I've been neglecting my car a lot. I haven't been washing it. I haven't been keeping the interior clean. So I'm going to get around to cleaning my exhaust. Gonna try to polish that. I'm gonna try out some Blue Magic metal polish cream. This thing smells so bad. Well, that took a while and some elbow grease, but I think it's pretty polished for the most part. That's as much as I can do. I even got the underside. I think I'm gonna tackle the interior first. I'm gonna vacuum everything, take everything out because I've just been hoarding clothes, water bottles. It's daily driven, so there's gonna be a bunch of things in here. Oh! How did my car get as dirty as my asshole? Okay, so interior is all cleaned up. Look at everything looking super polished. Give you guys a nice little shot of the cockpit. After weeks of being insanely dirty, black is the best color when it's clean. Oh! Okay, so I have a surprise for you. Now you have a seat just like Daddy.
It looks new. It's probably why it's so firm. It's like brand new.
Alright guys, so I'm over here in Burbank at this old school JDM car meet. One of my buddies is coming and I want to show you guys his car. That shit is sick and he's rebuilding it. Oh my god, attention to detail. This is by far my favorite car at the meet. This is so sick. Bro, I'm gonna follow you. Oh my god, this is so nice. Guys, this car is really growing on to me. This is pretty much like stock body for the most part. What do you guys think? Project car? I can definitely get it. Yo, I saw you on the freeway. You're too fast for me. But I knew I was gonna see your car here, so whoever owns this, your car is sick because I love that wing. If I would ever own this car, I would want this exact body kit. The only downside is that I'd want it in black. You won't be able to see all these super cool accents if it's in black. Whatever. Bro, how do people keep their cars that are so old this mint and I can't even get swirl marks off my black car? Some weak-ass RC-F seats in this dumbass Lexus IS that's slow as hell. This car's a piece of shit. I don't even know who the hell. What the hell? This is sick. Yo, the Christmas colors, I'm feeling it. This freaking paint is gorgeous. Oh my god. What happened to your gold wheels? These look clean.
Well, those were his. He sold them already. I've had these on the car.
Look at this LS right here. Alright, can I ask how much you're pushing? Be honest.
428 torque and 409 horsepower.
Yeah.
And how much did this car come with? Like the stock engine, how much was that?
260.
Good man. So this is the homie Albert's car. He put an LS in this and he's gonna get a new block, turbocharge it, and I think he's gonna try to push 800 to 1200 by the end of this year. So that's crazy. This is the last meet he's gonna be at, and I fucking love this car. He makes me want to get an SC as a project car so bad, and he fucking drifts it. If it ain't foreign, it's boring. Got the mag blue tees. Still a Beamer boy at heart. They just break down. Hey, Lexus boys, gang gang. Only other stance one here. Look at that tight ass fitment. If this dude is static, which I'm pretty sure he is, I'm jealous. Oh, hey. So I couldn't think of a great way to end the video, but I wanted to just thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos, because now I kind of have an audience, so it's not so awkward when I talk to the camera because there's people that, you know, are watching, like you guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate every single one of you, because without you, I would be talking to myself. And technically I kind of am, but it's all good. I didn't know how to end the video, but I definitely wanted to give you guys a huge thank you. There's gonna be more videos, and I hope the build gets further and better. We'll see if my bank account can take it any more than it already has. I hope you all have the greatest weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh!